I have a friend incoming.
Go, Habibi.
We gonna interview him.
Di na kakain
And
ako.
yes, no baby, no kill yet, no kill yet.
Okay, Habibi.
We asking question first and wait for my command.
Okay, Habibi.
Now we vibe, yeah we lit, now we ride, never split, rolling, this a fit, flow is flowing, we commit, now we vibe.
Okay, oh baby, now my bodyguards, get behind me. We gonna buy everything. Okay, baby. Do you want me to buy that gas station, baby? You want me to sing a song? Come, let's sing a song.
Okay, Habibi.
Anong kanta?
Come, listen to me. I'm gonna sing. Love will lie in my bow. Love will lie in my bow. Light up, scatcher. Hey, you pretty girl. Do you want me to buy you? Pretty pearl.
Salamat sa nakikirama.
Hey, pretty pearl.
Tara dito, Eri. Sumama ka sa akin.
Listen to me. Do you want to be my 69th wife? My bodyguard, you are supposed to be on duty. You're not supposed to be on the girls. Oh, brother.
Okay.
Bro, a yummy meal. Brother,
Salamat sa mga...
Ay, yummy meal.
we need to eat. We need to eat. Come.
Guys,
Eat. Eat, brothers. Eat.
Habibi, why are you riding a camel?
Oh, I did ride the camel. Oh my god, baby. The camel is bringing a gun. This is a cool, ano. Let me. Hey, ano, piggyback me. I wanna ride you.
Oh, bro.
Oh my god, haram. Kill the haram. Kill the haram. I have a friend incoming.
Go, Habibi.
We gonna interview him.
di na kakain ako.
And
To kill him.
yes, no baby, no kill yet.
Okay, Habibi.
We asking question first and wait for my command.
Okay, Habibi.
Okay. Natsumi, come here. Natsumi, stop. I'm gonna ask you a question and you follow my rules, okay? Just shut up and answer my question. Spit or swallow? Execute the motherfucker! Execute! My bodyguard, speed me 15. Come on, what are you talking? Oh my god, my bodyguard, you're so dumb.
Asan ba mga asawa nito? Nakita mo si Zay?
Do you want me to execute you myself?
Si Zay?
No. No,
Speed nga
brother.
mo, speed nga tayo ng...
Don't ever go in front of me, my guards.
Okay.
If you ever go in front of me, I will execute you myself.
Pengi ako, Sino yung namimigay dyan?
Hell,
Mabait dyan.
I'm getting stressed with these bodyguards, bro.
Ay, migay sa akin pagpalain ni Lord. Uy, bigyan niyo.
Wait. Chill up, my habibi, okay? Execute when I say, okay? Execute only when I say.
Copy, Habibi. Copy.
Okay, now Natsumi, I'm gonna ask you a question. Bottom or top? Why? Why?
Slim, pero yung kabaong nung isa.
Hey, good answer. Let him leave. Give him a camel.
Ay, my bad.
Why? No. Oh, Habibi, did you kill him?
Yan.
No.
Mali.
I shoot the wall, Habibi. I shoot the wall.
Manok, te.
We are a good Habibi. Okay, we are a good Habibi.
Alayan niyo nung puting
My bad,
manok.
Habibi. My bad.
Okay, let's find another one. Wait, I think I see someone.
Ano ginawa? Ayun mo.
Hello, Hellboy. I have a question to ask you.
Dune, di babayaran naman ako ni Bisakol eh.
Hellboy, speak, my brother.
Dapat lang.
You won't be in harm if you speak. Don't worry, we are a good Habibi. Come on, please answer me. Okay, soft or hard?
Arrow box.
Why do you pick soft?
Ano daw?
Ang tanong niya ng
Ano daw?
Bro, I can't hear him. Execute this mother.
The fucking Bombay.
Seb, I got a question to ask you, Seb. Come here. You don't run away from me. You don't ever try to run away from me, Seb. Okay.
Barilin to, barilin to.
Spit or swallow?
Swallow agad. Putak ina.
Seb, why?
Marumi.
Okay, give him $1 million. Good answer.
Yes.
Loy, talk to me.
I want to hit him.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you a question. Slow or fast?
Pass.
Why?
Pass. Bilis ako.
Why?
It's delicious.
Delicious. It's nonsense. Execute this motherfucker. Nonsense. I don't deal with nonsense. I have a question to ask you, Pearl.
Ayan o.
Spit or swallow?
Laparo, day.
Execute this motherfucker. Come here, Sol. Calm down. Don't be afraid of me. Talk to me, Habibi. Talk to me. I will ask you a question.
You want a new wife?
Is slow or fast? Why?
Introduce you to my friend, Jai.
Why? What do you mean masarap? Give him $1 million.
Susumbugin na kay mama.